So recently, somebody left a comment on one of my posts asking me what I would wear to a friend's wedding. So today we're going to be building an outfit suitable for your friend's wedding. As it's beautiful outside, summer is here, we're going to be going for some lighter tones. So I'm going to be basing this outfit around this lovely beige suit I got from a brand called House of Cavani. So of course we're going to be starting with the trousers. So of course lighter tones just work really well in the summertime. And today I'm going to be wearing them with these brown boots from a brand called Windsor Smith Men. Now of course boots might not necessarily be the most common option to wear with a suit, but my personal preference is that it does work and I just really quite like them. So I personally like to tuck the trouser all the way over the boot. Some people may prefer to go for this, but I just generally think that looks a little bit cleaner and nicer. And of course, we're going to be going with a white shirt. The classic white shirt looks so good with so many outfits. So without further ado, I'm going to chuck this on. And of course, this is a formal event, so the shirt's going to be tucked in and I'm going to be wearing it with this nice brown belt from a brand called Timberland. This belt just ties in really nicely with the colour of the shoes. And we're going to be wearing a blue tie today. I've gone with a Windsor knot. This is my personal preference in terms of knots. I think it just looks really clean, really stylish, and there's less chance of that knot falling down as you go throughout the day and it just looks a little bit untidy. This, for me, is the knot that I would always go for. So there is a video on my page, if you check my shorts, of how to do a Windsor knot, so go check that out if you're unsure how to achieve this. And then I'm going to mix things up by putting on a waistcoat from a different three-piece suit I got from the same brand. As you might already know by this point, I like to play around with certain colours. Beige, blue, white, they all work really well together with the brown to just kind of add that slight different bit of contrast in the outfit. I personally think this works really well. So I'm going to continue putting this on and then we're going to get that blazer on. So then of course we're going to finish off this outfit with the blazer that goes with the beige suit. Obviously, I'm going to be leaving the waistcoat behind. This actually works really well in the opposite direction, by the way. You can pretty much mix and match most items from this blue and cream suit and they are all going to work really well. So it gives you that versatility. You could buy two suits but essentially make a whole bunch of outfits. I might actually do a video dedicated to how many different looks you can make just from two different suits. That's a great idea. Just a little tip as well, guys, when you are wearing a blazer with a shirt, a suit, always make sure that your sleeve just pops out your suit jacket ever so slightly. It doesn't want to be tucked away like that, but it doesn't want to be hanging all the way out, but just a little bit of show. Looks really nice. So here we go, an outfit that I personally feel would be perfect for a friend's wedding in the summer season, mixing some of my favorite colors together. It looks nice and smart. You cannot go wrong with a three-piece suit, but do not feel like you always have to go with only the items that you bought within the suit. Mix and match, play around with different colors, different textures as well if you feel like it. So guys and girls, I love the fact that somebody left a comment asking for an outfit for a specific occasion. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If anybody out there has a specific occasion coming up and you'd like me to create an outfit that I personally feel would be decent for that occasion, drop a comment down below, let me know. I'd love to make sure that I'm doing lots more videos like this. I've actually quite enjoyed it. So thanks again, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video.